It is Monday. So quite often, especially prop trading and stuff like that, I would always say, be careful with Mondays. Mondays are usually weird days in the market. And I think actually that's what happened this morning in the day trader room. We were following crude oil charts. You can see I'm following this market pretty closely here this morning. And I noticed they put in this little double bottom here, broke the market out through the trend line. Really, really good lesson. Remember yesterday I was sort of scolding you guys on we have to wait for W's on other sides of trend lines, and there's a really good example where the market just worked its way back down and broke these kids' hearts. Started to M out in a weird sort of way, then rallied back up. Okay, a big double bottom. All right, we're all going bull. It's going to be a new bull market, and then boom, go and break their hearts. And literally, this is just back and forth, right? Definition of a megaphone. If anything, I was pretty impressed. I am, I guess, growing to be a fan of megaphones. I don't know what the term is. And if I was megaphoning this, it would be now 1, 2, drawing off of there, and then 1, 2, drawing off of there. So the third tag to me is actually a trade setup. And notice this beautiful little inside bar. This high 99.26, 99.26. I've also talked to you guys in the past about how 20s and 80s are often really good pivot points in the crude oil market. Also notice too, they put in a little bit of a gap on that candle there. I just noticed that now at 27. So I think there was a little short scalp trade right there. And it being a Monday, right? So wash the stops back and forth. That wasn't a terrible idea. The only problem is I don't have this as an actual trade setup in my plan. So as a result, didn't take the trade. But it's probably good observational information. It's interesting how this high 99.26 and the high here 99.27 into that gap. 99.27, and so in essence, anybody who shorted this, they just got stopped out there. Wasn't even really any kind of bottom to work with. It was just, and look at this. What a great analogy of a Monday. Straight to new lows, straight up. Straight to new lows, straight up. Straight to new lows, straight up. Didn't go to new lows, but straight up. So you can see this is just vicious trading. So ironically enough, that's the hallmark of the trade for this Monday is it's Monday trading, and it's uglier than ugly out there. So if we go back to the stock market, that was that higher time frame gap fill level, and that was that trend line. I actually woke up a little bit late this morning, so I really didn't get to my post until I guess right in this area. Where are we here? 6:30, 6:45, right in here. So I suppose in hindsight, shorting against this high wouldn't have been such a bad idea. There's probably a bit of a trade there. I suppose you could argue there's a bit of a bear div coming into that level, and you could probably make the argument that this was a reload short zone right there. But unfortunately, I wasn't at my post when I needed to be and all ready to go, so I wasn't able to hit that. But that probably was a pretty good trade level right in there. It is Monday, so I sort of give myself permissions on Monday to go a bit slower. This is basically right on the retail open there, right? If anything, this is a really good example that they put in a bottom like overnight. You see that's like 5:30. The futures pits open at 6 o'clock. So they had the whole market already pointing down, heading into that pit open and the futures open. They rallied it back, gave the traders the opportunity to strap on shorts against this high, and then dumped it.